Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the physical path is ready. Plug a verified HDMI cable into the TV's HDMI input and your PC or adapter. Once done, power both devices and set the Google TV input to that HDMI port so the signal can appear. You're doing this first because hardware is the common blocker. Without a clean cable and correct input, software tweaks won't matter. If you're using USB-C, make sure the port supports DisplayPort Alt mode before proceeding. Once a picture appears, you need to match signals. Open your computer's display settings and select the TV, then pick the native resolution and highest supported refresh rate to avoid scaling artifacts. Next, make sure the TV's picture size is set to 1:1 or just scan so edges aren't cropped. Also, enable game mode or low latency mode on Google TV to reduce input lag. This makes cursor movement and typing feel immediate, which matters for productivity and gaming alike. Finish by calibrating color, sharpness, and scaling so text and windows render crisply. You may need to tweak OS scaling to make UI elements comfortable. Then pair a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse or plug them into USB ports so you can work like on a monitor. If things go wrong, for example a blank screen or intermittent flicker, power cycle, the TV and PC, swap the HDMI cable or port, and temporarily disable HDR or lower the refresh rate to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.